Do you know how your Looker Studio report will look on mobile? No? For this you will need a responsive layout to make it nicer, and keep watching this video and I will show you how to answer for this question. Hey, my name is Gala, I'm a Looker Studio expert and the founder of Gallery Reports. On my website you can find a lot of Looker Studio templates for marketing and sales, and I have a lot of articles about Google Sheets and Looker Studio for marketing. For this topic, we will talk about layout, and dashboard layout, freeform and responsive. First of all, you can change from freeform to responsive on Pro and Free Looker Studio, but your dashboard should have one chart per page. This dashboard, like simple example, has 3 charts, so I cannot change it from freeform to responsive. But I will try to recreate this report in responsive form. Why do we need it? We go to view. So I'm on laptop right now and I see my dashboard like this. If I go to developer tools, I use Google Chrome. Here on the right side, I have toggle device toolbar. And here I can see how my dashboard will look like on different device. So here we are on desktop. And if I click here, I can see how this dashboard will look on mobile. And we see that it is not super clear. It has horizontal scrolls, which is not nice. So that is why we need a responsive layout to be sure that our dashboard looks nice on all types of devices. So let's close this developer toolbar and let's create a new dashboard. So I go to our starting point. You see I have free trial for Looker Studio Pro, but I will pay for subscription. It's really nice, and I think okay, I want to test it more, so I will pay for this. Anyway, I create new blank report. Then I will connect my data source. I have Google Analytics demo account already connected. I add it to my dashboard. And then I have 2 buttons that I have to decide from the beginning, and I click to responsive layout. This is what I need. Okay. We have some principal difference between freeform and this. So normally we should set up a dashboard size. If we go to this dashboard and go to edit and theme and layout, in layout we have canvas size, and we have size here, and we have grid and smart guides here. So all this stuff we don't have, and actually we cannot have on responsive stuff. If you worked with website development in your past, maybe you understand a bit. Like, so for you it will be really easy, because how do I see it's really similar with responsive websites. Okay, I chose responsive layout. What can we do here? I have a header by default, and I have sections. So can I add page? I did it first time, so I will have some questions as well. Okay, yeah, I can create different pages. I don't need to make it more complex than it is. So let's check. First of all, I go always to theme and layout. Layout we have responsive. Header visibility always show after hide. Let's see. No, okay, actually I want to always show for this case. Navigation type that we normally have, it is on the left side. Fine, I'm okay. And dashboard has margin or not. Okay, look here. View like this. Has margin, view. Yeah, we have some. I think if I want to use dashboard for mobiles, I think I don't want margins. This is the difference. So I don't have like this line, this border on the bottom and right side with no margins. With margins I have it. So what can we do with title? Let's see. With title I have a with header I have a title. I can move it. Yeah, I can move my header below the section, but it is weird, so let's move it back. In layout we don't have much stuff. To the title, we can style sections. First of all, I want to style my dashboard. Report background color. Let me do same stuff that I have here. So I want to add my logo. Can I copy it from here? Yeah, nice. You see, when I copied my logo, my header section became bigger because it changed size based on number of element, but not number, based on the highest element in the section. So logo for now is the highest element. If I make it smaller, you see the section became smaller as well. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, I want, for example, small logo. Okay, it was a bug. I don't know what it was. Anyway, Gale report simple responsive report. Nice. So it already looks a bit tricky, I think, but it's okay. So I can make a font color white, and the background here is transparent. So we have our date range section, and fine. So I have my section. What can I do with my section? I can add a chart here. So my first chart, for example, users by default channel group. Okay, I can add control or chart. So I can have specific filters for section. But let's add chart. For example, I want to add bar chart, and this will be fine for me. I want to call, I will use automatic title, auto-generated title, and I will want to use a default session, default channel group, and sessions, for example, sessions by sessions, default channel group. I can change size of my chart. I can limit number of where is it? Number of maximum lines. Okay, doesn't matter. I wanted to remove number of columns, but okay. Not okay. Yeah, this number of bars. I want to have 5. Number of bars. Yeah, to make it readable. So if I can change size of this section, and I can add some tables. For example, can I add? Yeah, I can add table next to the section. It will be same chart, but instead of bar chart will be table. And I want to. Okay, where is my background? Yeah, I didn't do normally styles, so I have this stuff. Transparent. Header background transparent, cell odd row transparent, even row transparent. And I can add something here like additional metrics. So I have sessions and I have active sessions. Active users. Well, I want to say sessions with conversions, but okay. For example, I have my section with 2 charts, and if I want to add some filters, let's try to add some filters here. Let's add control of drop-down list. I can put it. Can I put it in the middle? Okay. Can I put it? Interesting moment about this responsive layout is that we cannot do. We cannot put one chart behind another, or how we did in our normal dashboard. We could do, for example, I could do this stuff and say that one element on front and another on background. This I cannot do. So as you see, I even cannot put it one behind. Can I do it like this? No. So I cannot put vertically elements in the section. only horizontally. Can I put it one? Yeah, if I do it one under each other, it will be in a new section. So I don't want it right now like this. I want it in one section, and I want to have some filters just for these tables. Special default background. Again, my styles are super weird. Let's me do something with this. Font color white, background transparent, and it's still blue. Okay, I will clean it later, so I can rename it to display name to channel. And I have two charts on one section and with one specific filter, and I can have, for example, one filter drop down list. I can have it on the top, and here will be some another type, for example, medium, session medium, session medium, font color white. Okay, so I have one filter on the top and one filter on the section, and let's create one more. So this is super weird. Can I make it bigger? Okay, channel. Then I do it, but okay. Okay, so what did I have here? For example, I have like active users by time. Nice. I can create a new, if I want to add a new section, I can click to plus here and add another section. And here I want to add time series chart, for example, with nice with gradients, super fancy, breakdown channel, session default channel group, and here is sessions. So this is my time series chart for sessions over time by default channel group. Nice. Let's see that it is, let's pretend that it is a perfect chart that I need it, and maybe I want to have my just interesting legend I want to have on the right side, just to see how we will see it in mobile device. So let's see how does it work. As you see, there are some different moments. They are super different in responsive layout. So you have to use to this, and like we cannot group elements as well here because we group it by sections. And let's see how it works. So I'm in a view mode, and this is what we see here. Let me change. Let me use this super blue. Okay, let me use CPC only, for example, as a medium. I see that both sections changed, so filter works for the whole dashboard because the filter in the header. And when we select organic search, for example, you can see that this section changed, and this section changed as well. So it doesn't matter if we change put located filter in this. Well, this is a bit different what I read in support article, to be honest. How can I group elements? Because I read that I cannot group element. If I want to filter only one section, I can use this. Okay, let's open article and see about some moment. I already read it. Limitation of responsible report, which is interesting for us. Adding lines on errors. Okay, I don't need it. So fine. Configuring the canvas size, as I said, we cannot change canvas size, but we don't need it actually to responsive dashboard. Then configure the grid settings. Same stuff. We have 12 columns layout, and you can perfectly see it here how it works. So for me, just not clear why this works. This filter works for the whole dashboard instead of one section. Okay. Then configuring to shape to setting components automatically arranged and aligned. Agree. Grouping components. Instead of grouping components and components to a section, you can apply filters at the page level or section level. So this moment, I read and I was sure that this will be like this, but obviously it is not. Let's see, maybe I lost something. Enable single selection. Padding. So this is interesting moment. How can I apply? File, theme and layout, okay, theme, okay. Then what do we have? We have report settings. We have, okay, data source. This is our data source. Filters to the report. We don't use filter for report now. Enable custom links. This I think because I have like paid or like pro version of Looker Studio. But still, I really current page settings. We have page filter. This is my like filters that I apply for page. Okay, this is group properties. Oh, nice. So it means not that I was thinking that I can apply filter for this because it would be obvious, like, okay, I added filter for this section, so I can filter. But no, it means that I can apply filter here. I can, oh God, sorry, I confused myself. And I confused you medium. Default. And default session, default channel group, and equal byte search. So it means that I can apply filter for this section. Nice. So I found a way. It took more time than I expected, but I found a way how to do it. So this is drop down list. We can move to the top. Can I? Yeah, when I moved it to the top, you see automatically all my fields became smaller because I need more space. So it's really tricky. I think maybe for web developers it will be a bit easier to navigate with this, but I feel that I really have to use to it. It is a bit tricky. Okay, and this I want to make it bigger. So it should be like really special dashboard, and maybe I can make template especially for this type of dashboard. So good. It means that we can have group properties set up. Okay. Making component report level. We cannot make component report level. This is sad because actually I would like to have like logo and title and report level. But let's see if I create a new page. No, my header removed. Yeah. So this is not nice because it will be nice to have the same header. Sending components forwards or backward. Yes, as we see, they are in line. We cannot even do it like one under each other. Setting the display mode to feedwise and actual size. Yeah, because we don't need it, it's automatically setting the report level component position. Making a component report level, setting the report level component position. If we cannot make a report level component, how can we make it? So let's check how it will look like on mobile to finalize this version. Let's go to tool mode, developer tools. And here should be magic how we see this dashboard on mobile. I close my Gemini and I see, okay, title we have fine, header is fine, I guess. Then I cannot say that it is pretty, but at least, yeah, I cannot read it anyway. How it will be time series chart. Do we have scroll? We don't have scroll, so we don't have horizontal scroll, but with this, okay, we didn't have horizontal scroll, but anyway, we don't have. Can I edit it, please? So, what is my review for responsive layout? This is super huge step forward to mobile analytics. I cannot call it mobile analytics, to mobile dashboards. But seems they have to improve it a lot till we can normally use it, because it's really not comfortable for now on mobile version. Let's do it again. More tools, developer tool. Okay, yeah. Basically, I don't think that is much better than we had on previous layout. So what I want to say, if you want to observe your dashboard on mobile, you have to create dashboard for mobile and think about it all the time. So we use like vertical charts, and I think it's only one option how we can do it, because for now I wouldn't use this responsive layout. I'm not sure that I want to use it in my practice, but hopefully Google will develop this feature, and hopefully soon we will see that it works nice. Oh, sorry, this video is not really optimistic. I'm sorry to hear. Sorry that make it so long. But yeah, thank you for watching it. Thank you to observe this feature with me. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give like to this video, leave a comment, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.